Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Doorbells. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. FOLKSMATE Dog Doorbells. Made from heavy-duty, nylon material, durable and chew-resistant, 7 PCS 1.4 inches extra loud stainless steel bells, shiny and jingle. Black strap, with polished metal, hardware looks great, in virtually any. Its ergonomic design allows for easily adjusting the length between 12 inches and 15 inches from the ground, depending on the size of your dog. Number 4. DOYOO 2-pack Dog Doorbells. High quality and nice sounding bells, 7 big extra loud bells, yet easy on your ears to attend to your pet's nature call wherever you are in the house. Tasteful design of silver coating of bells keep them shiny, and jingle sounds are easy on your ears from the playful dogs. This dog training bells and its belts are custom made and tested thoroughly for its ruggedness. Number 3. BLUETREE 2-pack Dog Doorbells. This upgraded design provides you 3 levels of length adjustments compared to common 2-length bells. This allows for easy adjustment of the length to the bottom of the door or wall based on the size of your dog or the height of your door. Small dogs, medium dogs, big dogs and large dogs all love excel with our dog bells. Number 2. PalB Dog Doorbell. Make potty training much easier with dog doorbells that are built to last. Unlike others that easily snap and soon rust, PalB Dog Jingle Bells for doorknob feature straps, made of heavy-duty nylon, super strong, stainless steel bells, and durable stitching. Get the best bang for your buck as you make doggy messes a thing of the past. Number 1. Canine Dog Doorbell. The smart potty training doorbell responds to the soft touch of your dog's nose or paw, which gives them the power to communicate, to go outside to do their business and be let inside when they're done. The outside dog bell is waterproof with a night light, making it a great puppy bell for potty training.